drove up to Newfoundland in the Smoky Mountains this morning. Watch the sunrise, and it's absolutely
Ready, boys? Back up. You get the countdown.
Wait. No, with the camera. We're going up. Gatlinburg's mountain coaster. You ready, Corbs?
We had a 3,000 square foot house and all of the things, yet we always found ourselves looking for more. We love being outside, we love adventuring, and every time we went someplace we never wanted to come home. We are just your average family living not your everyday life. Andrew, Janelle, Corbin, and Wyatt. We are the Hoopers. This is our journey of building our home.
Okay, we're gonna go fast or slow?
So, no, fast. So, not super fast. Don't go super fast, you know.
We're gonna go super duper fast.
No, don't go super fast.
Just super fast, not super duper fast?
The younger pistol.
No. Look, there's Mama.
Fast.
At this time, hold on to both handles and push forward. Maintain a safe distance between you and
Here we go, Bubba. We're going super duper fast here.
That's super duper. Hey, this isn't gravity. No. Hey, this is gravity.
Gravity.
Yeah.
Gravity's got us. And we're off to the races, Bubba. Here comes gravity.
It's been so down. And it went so down.
I wouldn't.
So that said so down.
I wouldn't slow down.
I love the Smokies and the Smoky Mountains.
We visited the Sugarlands Visitor Center, and we can tell that Corbin still had his knife here because he was showing it to his friends. Outside of the visitor center, we could see him holding it in his hand, and then we started hiking down the trail, and he was just running and jumping, and living his best life, and that is where it got lost. It fell out of his pocket at some point. It's not fun unless you're covered in mud. As I was going through videos and editing, I was like, we are gonna find this knife. And so I just paid attention, and right here is where you can see it in front of Cody on the ground, the little brown pocket knife.
There is trees on.
Watch out, Corbin's gonna go.
Hey kids, 1, 2, 3. Watch him make it, okay? Pretty cool, huh?
I want to go in there.
You want to go in there now?
Hugs! Hugs! Oh, bye, sissy.